Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix thumbnails not showing on Windows 10. First method is, open File Explorer. Click File, click Change Folder and search options. Click View tab, uncheck Always Shows Icons, Never Thumbnails. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings, make sure check Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. Second method is type Disk Cleanup in Windows search bar, click Disk Cleanup. Check thumbnails. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy commands from description and run one by one. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is, right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.